Hello everyone, welcome to ZOOMLION Global. I'm Zoe. Today we are going to talk about ZOOMLION electric articulating boom lift. Let's go! I'm now at ZOOMLION Access Factory in our Smart Industrial Park. On my right hand is our electric articulating boom lift.
Hello Zoe.
Hi Brian.
What are you doing here?
I'm looking around this machine. It looks really cool.
Yeah, this is the ZA16JERT lead. This is our first lithium-powered articulated boom lift. So do you want to know more about it?
Sure.
This machine can lift up to 17.8 meters. It has 9.27 horizontal outreach and 8 meters up and over height. So make it very flexible and can reach further.
Cool. So this model can be the best equipment to walk around the narrow spaces, right?
Yeah, because this model has a very compact size design. So it's very easy for this model to enter into some narrow spaces.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah. And nowadays, this model is widely used for the stadium, airports, factory, and warehouse. You know what? The most amazing part for this model is the distance between the chassis and ground is longer than any other model. So it has a great rough terrain capacity and can be driven through the muddy and uneven road.
It's so powerful. So, as for my understanding, the E on ZA16JERT lead stands for electric, right?
Yeah, that's right. This model is our lithium battery articulated boom lift, so we can provide 5 years warranty. Besides the lithium battery, nowadays we also have the traditional lead-acid battery as option.
That's why our customers choose it to work in cities. Sounds great. I really want to try it.
Yes, for sure. I think next time I will let our engineer give you a drive. And you can see here, this is our platform. It has the lifting capacity 250 kilograms. So which means it's very easy for our machine to carry 2 people and tools.
Oh, thank you, Brian.
You're welcome.
I've learned so much today. So that's the end of this video.
If you want to know more about ZOOMLION MEWPs, stay tuned at our channel. See you next time.